what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
What's up, furniture nerds? Gonna do a quick review for this metal storage platform bed that I just put together. It also has a charging station here. You can see it has two 3-prong outlets and two USBs. Underneath is a cord that runs in behind and then into an outlet, and then you can charge your phone, your laptop, whatever the case may be, right from your bed. Now, the frame itself is actually made of metal, as you can see here, which is a huge plus because over time, wood may not always stand the test of time, but metal, given its qualities, really good for longevity. And then obviously you can see the two storage drawers here. They're really supposed to be under the footboard, but as you can see, we're a little bit limited on space, so we might have to do some rearranging. So for now, we'll just put it right there on the side. And the assembly took about an hour and a half, 2 hours, going at a relatively decent pace. But yeah, you can expect anywhere from 1 to 2 hours putting this together, maybe even more depending on your skill set, what tools you're using and things like that. But overall, I'd say it's a pretty good set. Got the two storage drawers, charging station, assembly time under a couple of hours. Definitely a plus. So I would definitely give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and check it out. I'll check you guys on the next review.